Hey everybody, how's it going? Jonathan here with Automate with Jonathan. In this video, I'm going to show you how to print the link from an element using Selenium and Python in 4 lines of code. Actually, no, I'm sorry, 3 lines of code. Let's get right into it. After we have our these imports imported, for Selenium, these are basic imports, and our driver created, the 3 lines of code are, first of all, we open the web page. In this case, we're gonna get the web page google.com, and then we're gonna create the element, and the element in this case is a class with the value of GB_D. So we're gonna do driver.findElement by equals class name and the value of GB_D. That's just the name of the class. And then the third part is we're going to print the attribute. We have to print the correct part of this element. So we do element.getAttribute, and then the attribute we're going to be asking for from that element is the href attribute. And let's run it. And we'll see what we got. Oh yeah, look, there it is. So we printed this Gmail here. We printed this link from this Gmail link up here. And if we look at the inspector and we drill down to the name of the class, we'll see the class name is GB_D. GB_D. Element.getAttribute href. Thank you so much for watching. If you got anything out of this, please subscribe. Please hit the subscribe button. I beg you. I'm seriously begging you. Please hit the subscribe. Bye-bye.